one and all. Today we are going to discuss about engineering physics PH 8151 unit 1 properties of matter. So the PH 8151 engineering physics coming under regulation 2017. Unit 1 properties of matter. The following topics are there: elasticity, stress strain diagram and its uses, factors affecting elastic modulus and tensile strength, torsional stress and deformations, twisting couple, torsional pendulum theory and experiment, bending of beams, bending moment, cantilever theory and experiment, uniform and non-uniform bending theory and experiment, I-shape girders, stress due to bending of beams. So in this unit, first we are going to discuss about the moment of a force. So the moment of force is a 2-mark question, part A. The moment of a force about a point is defined as the product of the magnitude of the force and a perpendicular distance from the point to the line of action of the force. So therefore we can tell the equation format m is equal to F into D. Next question is a couple. So this is also 2-mark question, part A. A couple constitute a pair of two equal and opposite forces acting on a body. So the couple means two equal and opposite forces. So examples: open the tape, open the pen, and all the tuning movement we can tell. So all the tuning movement we can get the two forces, one is a clockwise, another is a anti-clockwise. So next topic is a torsional pendulum theoretical explanation. So this is the part B question. So what is torsional pendulum? A circular metallic disc suspended using a thin wire that execute torsional oscillation is called a torsional pendulum. So that execute the torsional oscillation. So the description, here you can see the diagram. The wire, one end is fixed with upper, other end is having the pendulum. It consists of a metal wire suspended vertically with the upper end fixed. The lower end of the wire is connected to the center of the heavy circular disc working part. When the disc is rotated by applying a twist, the wire twisted with angle theta. So therefore the restoring couple is equal to C theta. So here C is a couple per unit twist. So if the disc is released, it oscillates with the angular velocity. So angular velocity d theta by dt. So this oscillation are known as torsional oscillation. Theta by dt squared is equal to angular acceleration. I is a moment of inertia of the disc. So applied couple is equal to I d squared theta by dt squared, that is equation number 4. So in equilibrium condition, applied couple is equal to restoring couple, that is equation number 5. So we can apply the values, then I d squared theta by dt squared is equal to C theta. So we do the cross multiply, so d squared theta by dt squared is equal to C by I theta, that is equation number 7. So equation number 7 represent simple harmonic motion. Therefore time period of oscillation t is equal to 2 by square root of displacement by acceleration. So equation 4 substitute equation 3, then we can get the value t squared is equal to 4 pi squared. You can see the third equation and fourth equation here. Then if you substitute means we can get the equation t squared is equal to 4 pi squared I by pi n r power 4 divided by 2l. So if you do the simplification, then we can get the seventh equation t squared is equal to 8 pi il divided by n r power 4, seventh equation. So we can write the separate, then you can get the eighth equation. Here I is equal to moment of energy of the circular disc, that is equal to m r square divided by 2. M is a mass of the circular disc, r is a radius of the circular disc. So this is the theoretical explanation. The next question, uses of torsional pendulum. So what are the uses of torsional pendulum? So first one, it is used to determine the rigidity modulus of the wire. Torsional pendulum used to determine the moment of inertia of the disc. torsional pendulum is to determine the moment of inertia of the irregular body. So this also sometimes it will come separate part A questions. Torsional pendulum experimental explanation. A circular disc is suspended by a thin wire. The top end of the wire is fixed in a vertical support. The disc is rotated about its center with a small angle. Then it executes the torsional oscillation. So whatever reading we are getting, we got note down in the table, that is observation. So here table length, time for 20 oscillation, trial 1, trial 2, mean value is there. So different length of the wire, we got to note down the readings. So time taken for the 20 complete oscillation is noted and the mean time period capital T of the oscillation is determined. So different length of the wire experiment is repeated. Separately measure the mass of the disc and the diameter of the disc. Then that mass value and the diameter value we can substitute the formula. Then time period of oscillation T is equal to 2 by square root of I by C. The squaring on both sides, T squared is equal to 2 squared pi squared square root of I by C whole squared. So therefore T squared is equal to 4 pi squared I by C. We know that coupled per unit twist C is equal to pi n r power 4 divided by 2L, that is equation number 4. So here equation number 4 we have to substitute in equation number 3, that C value. Then T squared is equal to 4 pi squared I divided by pi n r power 4 divided by 2L. If you do the simplification, we can get the seventh equation. T squared is equal to 8 pi I L divided by n r power 4. That also we can write separately. Then we can write the equation n is equal to 8 pi I divided by r power 4 into L by T squared. So here I is a moment of inertia of the disc, that is mr squared divided by 2. M is a mass, r is a radius of the disc. So thank you, all the best, study well.